everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today I have a yarn haul from LoveCrafts. So let's get into it, shall we? I've got an idea. I think it's cottons, guys. I think I've purchased some cottons and the bag is wet. The bag is wet, guys. Can you believe that bag is absolutely wet? Sorry about the noise. So how are you all today? Hope you're all well. A bag full of yarny cotton. Yay! We all know I love my cotton, guys. So what have we got today? So let me just see if there's a thing in there telling me. No. Oh well, never mind. Let's go through it. So we've got James C. Brett. It's 100 pure DK cotton. So it's a 3-weight, and this is 215 meters, 234 yards. 100 grams, 100% cotton, and this is shade IC03, and it's like a lilac. So I've got one of them. I've bought some Shakemaya. Let me see. I got 3 skeins of the Shakemaya in white. And this is oh, I forgot to tell you what needles to use on this. 4mm needles on this one, which is the James C. Brett, and that's a 3-weight. This is a 2-weight, 2.5 to a 3mm needle. It's organic cotton, and it is. The colour number is 00001, and it's 50 grams, 155 metres, 170 yards, 1.75 ounces, and this is 50 grams, so I've got 3 of them. It's like an off-white, guys, an off-white. So that's it. I got them. What else did I buy? I know I bought some paint box yarns. Let me just get them all out. Never had paint box before. Oh, I've got some Shakemaya in red. So exactly the same specs, guys, but I got 3 of the Shakemaya in red. So we got them. What else did I get? That's a paint box. Oh, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of the James C. Brett, exactly the same specs as the lilac. The colour for this one is IC08, and it's like a nice tealy colour. Or turquoise, guys, not teal, turquoise. And there's the 3 skeins of yarn of the lilac. Ooh. So I've got them, and I've got 10 skeins of paint box. So I've got ballet pink. Let me just tell you the specs. They're 50 grams, 125 meters, 137 yards, again 100% cotton, 50 grams, 1.7 ounces, and this is colour ballet pink. That is V's favourite colour. Not. So there's ballet pink, and then we've got raspberry pink, and we've got blush pink, which is like a coral. Then we've got dolphin blue, and we've got duck egg blue as well. They go nice together, don't they? And then we've got light champagne, vanilla cream, and then I've got some greys. So this is Misty Grey, this is Storm Grey, and these are a 2-weight, guys. It says DK, but it says on here a 3. Sorry, it's a 3-weight, guys. I forgot to say. And this is Slate Grey, so I think them 3 go nice together. So yeah, so that is the cotton that I bought from LoveCrafts. I hope you've enjoyed the little yarn haul. I do love my cotton. I've never worked with Shakemaya before, but I think it'd be interesting to see what we can create with this. And I'm getting a fair good selection of cotton yarns, guys. I've nearly got a full shelf full of them. So, well, I've got a couple of shelves actually, and I think I can look down there and I can see down there as well. Oops, naughty naughty, but hey, I do what makes me happy, as we all do. So what would you make with all this cotton? Any ideas, guys? I've got a few ideas myself, so thank you all so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and until the next video, I'll see you all again real soon. But more importantly, guys, I forgot my little saying. Be kind to you guys, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye.